interested in teaching you some layering techniques. This, depending on what programs you've used in the past, you may or may not need this. But if I put a star, a really big star on the screen, I'm going to change it to burgundy. But this star now is blocking everything on my screen. And everything in Gravit Designer puts, if I add something new, it'll go on top of the last thing that I added. If I add another thing, it'll go on top of the other thing. But once I might decide that I don't want this covering everything, I want this behind everything. So there's a couple ways you can do that. If you go to modify, arrange, you can send to back, which I've shown you in the past in a previous tutorial. So I'm going to bring that. I just did an undo. Control Z will always undo in any program. But if I want to, I'm kind of interested in showing you more about layers today. So there's this polygon, this star. If I double click on polygon, I can give it a name that I can remember a little bit better. It's called star. I can also lock this layer. So if if I'm interested in choosing to move other things, I can move other things, but I cannot move this star. It's locked. So I can unlock it if I now want to move it and do something with the star. The star is hiding everything. So if I click on the star, and the star is hiding everything because it's on top, but I can take this and drag it to the bottom. So you can see where it's going. There's a little red line with a dot that moves with me. So it's going to go to the bottom. Now it's behind everything. And it kind of gives a neat effect where you can see the star, but it's giving a white border on this side, and then the rest is burgundy like the star was. And I can now move the star and change the way that looks. So I'm kind of taking a different effect of it. I can, I learned to rename this. I can lock it. I can temporarily hide it if I want to do something else to another object. And I can unhide it again by bringing it back. I can take a delayer and delete it if I wish, and then I can bring that back with undo. But I'm kind of interested in working with layers. Layers is a way that I can stack stuff on top of each other, but you can always rearrange layers later.